Dr Mukul Sangma nongialam seng All India Trinamool Congress haka arphoi tarik Rymphang ula kynnoh Myntri sorkar MDA kylla long ki agent khyndew haba thied praspa nyau akar jaka shnong Mawkanu Mawpdang dor sabusan thiedka phut na trai jaka katba khyndor shaka sorkar prapusan thiedka phut. Dr Mukul ulong yakini dor prapusan thiedka phut la mynjur dak cabinet haka tarik Risaw arjar arphoi. Ki Myntri ki badon bynta badon keti hakini kam khaii kyndew ki kyntup yu Myntri rangba ukon dot ki Sangma Myntri ki kam urban affairs but Myntri ki kam revenue. Dr Mukul ula dawa da kejing thokit ban lap ye kejing shisha baro halor kani ki kam bamsap na kapla pisa jong ki padpa.
The people in government, rather, I must say, we go by the spirit of collective responsibility. Therefore, the people in government have to share the responsibility of protecting the interests of the state. Now, it's very painful to see when the state is tainted with remarks which is contrary to the name and fame of this beautiful state. Today, the state government of Meghalaya has created a very unhealthy precedent to generate the kind of perception that in the state of Meghalaya, corruption is the order of the day. And it's very painful because all our forefathers, all those founding leaders of this state have made their best efforts to ensure that the state remains glued to the interests of the people and is known as a state which maintains its fiscal discipline and remains a state responsive to the needs and aspirations of the people. I salute those leaders. One after another, everywhere they have engaged in all acts to rob the state, to satisfy their swelling dream at the cost of the state. In the instant case, if you look at the rate at which they have bought this land and decided to pay at an inflated price of rupees 85 was decided upon by the cabinet on the October 2021. This is the cabinet. This is the letter by the Urban Affairs, Department of Urban Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, which has communicated the decision of the cabinet approving the purchase of land at a highly inflated rate of 85 rupees per square feet for total of 807 acres of land. Now, if you look at this decision, now you cannot particularly allege only one particular department. The whole decision has been taken by the cabinet. You are well aware of the fact that there are ministers who, as per the rules of executive business, have the honors of responsibility in approving various proposals of their respective departments. The respective portfolios allocated to the respective ministers have piloted this proposal, and appropriately approved by the Department of Revenue and Disaster Management. And any cabinet decision that is to be considered in as far as the proposals of various departments are concerned, the cabinet items are all approved by the Chief Minister. So therefore, the three persons, the Chief Minister, the Revenue Minister, and the Minister in charge of Urban Affairs Department, have entered, if we go by all these inputs which is available before the public domain now, have entered into a criminal conspiracy to rob the state of such a huge amount of money. If you're looking at the difference comes to over 140 crores. Now these 140 crores could have been given to the landowners, the innocent landowners, the innocent villagers, who have inherited this beautiful land, who have preserved and protected this land. Now, how is it possible for the government of the day, in a democracy which revolves around the spirit of the people, by the people, for the people? Everything that we do must be for the people, by the people who are elected. To be an investigation, I have already, lead is enough. This lead is enough. There's a job of the investigation team which should go into the details and go anywhere to all these villagers and ask them how much, at what rate they have sold the land. They will tell you that at the rate of 45 rupees. That's the reality and that's the truth.